Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't know if you can hear me or not because of the freaking wind. I hate wind, but apparently we need it. I don't know. So today we've been doing a service on this gem, an 85 Subaru Brumby or Brat, you guys, with the EA81 engine. So this is what you need to do a service on one of these. 20W50, and this is the stuff I got off eBay, a service kit: air filter, fuel filter, there it is, and no, oil filter, sorry, and fuel filter. Sorry, I'm trying to speak loud so I don't, yeah, anyway. So fuel filters, by the way, on this thing, special order, so probably just better off buy a whole service kit for it. Yes, super cheap brand oil, I know, shock horror, but it'll be fine for what I needed to do. She's absolutely rusted out, so this oil and this cheap service kit will be fine. So no panic, it's not going to do 120 down the highway in 5th gear or 4th gear, whatever. You can find gears. So I'll get on you guys on the tripod somehow, and we can do the oil. And oh, here's my cat. My cat. Anyway, the sun plug bolt on these things, right there, is a 17mm spanner, whatever. And see how it's leaking? I got a fix for that. So let me get you on the tripod so that way I don't have to hold yous, and yeah, we get to it. I don't know if you can hear me or not. Alright, recording? Yep, we're recording. Oh, hope you guys haven't moved. Sorry for the bad camera angles and everything, and a lot of wind. Lots of wind. There we go. Oh, right on the money. Yeah, this oil has not been changed in a long time. It smells a little bit like petrol, but actually not bad. If I don't know if you can see on the camera, but now what we're going to do is just let that drain for a bit. Yeah, use numplate cover as a rag or something. I should have brought a rag. Yeah, just drop it on the ground, let that drain for a bit, then I'll start undoing that oil filter. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'm trying my best. Don't have the best camera equipment, so I'm trying to yell and it's not sounding too good. I don't even know if you guys can see anything or not. Probably not. You can see some of it. Yeah, I mean, there we go. Liquid gold, baby. Old oil can still be used. Now, the oil filter's right there. It has not been done in a long time. I don't even know how to position you guys. I might do that off camera. Hey guys, welcome back. Why that's draining, the oil's draining, we gotta do the filter. You need a flathead screwdriver and you need this funky looking thing. It's got the 2 standard ports and it's got a 3rd one on top, so it sits like that in the car. I think I read somewhere online that this port's for like return or pressure or overflow. I'm actually not too sure, so before we undo the wrong filter I chuck in here for reasons, I'll put the date on this. Always date the service you're doing. Air filter, fuel filter, oil filter, anything really you can. Always put the date down, so that way the next person knows when you did it. So today is the 22nd of the 1st, 2025. And I put 4 down. Still that time of year where you put 4 down. People in the future won't understand. And I write it all over the place. That way people in the future know, oh, this was done on the 22nd of January 25. Yeah, just something similar like that. And that's how you write a date: day, month, year, not month, day, year. What's on that about? So something similar like that, actually right on top. 22nd of the 1st, 2025. There you go. Well, something legible. Now you can see that's the third port, but I blocked it off because, well, it's got the wrong fuel filter in it. Because these fuel filters for a Subaru Brat or Brumby, you have to special order them. Why? The fuel filter, why can't you have them in stock? Now just move that line out of the road for a moment. Then come in here with your flathead screwdriver and do the fuel hoses. I hope you're enjoying the Australian wind sounds. I don't have a microphone, so loose these up and pull the filter out of its housing. Pull it out just like so. It's a Roco one, and then it goes in its hole like that. Make sure the arrow, sometimes the arrow points in, sometimes the arrow points out. We'll hope like I get it right. If I don't get it right, oh well. Not loose enough nose clamps. Like so. This other one on. It's gonna be a little bit of pain in the bum. Just spread that over. There we go. It's in place. Now we just have to do up the hose clamps. Yes, these are not the right clamps. I had bloody some sort of spring clamp, but I find these hose clamps, these worm clamps, to be better when it got a low fuel pressure system. This flathead screwdriver is giving me irrits. The only downside with putting your dates on a fuel filter, you get a covered fuel and you lose the dates on them. That's tight enough. Now you grab your third line. If the screwdriver wants to grip into it, there we go. Undo the hose clamp. Pull the bolt out that if you use the block with. Shove back over. I don't know why these cars have such a special fuel filter. It's kind of strange but unique. Now if you guys looking for a service kit for these things and you're in Australia, I'll send you the link. I'll put the link in the description. Or it's either this or another kit. A Roco kit's about $100 almost. You probably get a little bit better quality with a Roco, but money's tight. Everyone's got tight pockets at the moment. Make sure your D's are all done up because it's carby and they don't like any loose lines. And there you go. Fuel filters are installed. Now for the air guys, onto the air cleaner now, and just how you get them out on a Brumby Brat. You got 3 screws on top. Just like so. Don't worry, I'll pick up all my mess. I'm really, again, sorry for the wind. It's just, weather here sucks. Anyway, here's your air filter. Now what you want to do is you get your new one and compare it to the old one. Yep, she'll work. Now, I don't know, I'll show this at the start. There's the part numbers and everything, interchangeable with all that. While I'm here to get my sharp date on it. Part number for the fuel filter, and I'll show you the oil filter part number again. And oil filter. Anyway, so now for the date on the air filter, you should put the mileage down too. So since this is a yard car, won't do many kilometers, it should be fine. 22nd of the 1st, 2025. 22nd of the 1st, 2020. Almost did it again. And I'll probably do the front side because that was the back side. 2022, the first, 2025. There we go. It just sits in there like so. Grab your lid. Put your lid back on top. Get a thread on there. Come on. There we go. This thing's got to breathe. Like I said, this thing has not had service in a very long time. I reckon maybe, I don't know, 15, 18 years, I don't know. It's been a long time. It's sat for a long time though, so don't panic. Right, that's in there. Fuel fills on, date on it, date on the air filter. This is the quality of the old one. I did clean it out the best I can. Not perfect. Look how filthy it is. But yeah, I'm still going to chuck in this box because it could come handy. Could come handy. It says thank you for choosing whatever the brand name filter is. I can't speak language. Right, that's done. I'm going to get the oil filter done because I'm letting it drain. I'll bring it back when we put the oil in it. I don't know if you even heard a word. So off camera, I got a few things done underneath the car, like the oil filter, and put the plug back in it. I did it off camera because I got no way of filming it. Plugs back in. I put some silicone on it to help it out, and I got the filter on there with the date on it. And I did pre-fill this filter and lubricate the O-ring, and did check if the old O-ring wasn't there. So old oil there. Don't mind that there. Put silicone around the plug. There's a good brand of silicone, so I don't know how long I have to let it sit. It's not coming off on my fingers, so I'll let it sit for about a good hour and a half. Hopefully it should be good to hold oil. Yeah, sorry about the wind again. So yeah, vehicles in and everything. Yeah, so now I'm going to put it back on the tripod and start putting oil in it. Well, today ain't my day. I'll start putting the oil in it, and the damn phone was in slow mode, so all that clip's useless. Not having a good time at all. That's why I record a bunch of cars. Stuff. Yeah. I did pre-fill the oil filter, so yes, I did pre-fill the oil filter, so that's all good to go. Can't really see it because it's really clear oil. Smells like gear oil, but oh well. I'm going to start it, run it for a quick second and shut it off. Oh, there we go, filling up right now. So far, no leaks. That was a few seconds of run time. I'll be back, I'll go let it sit. Okay guys, I'll let it sit for a little bit. The oil should be up to level. I did check it a few times, you probably can't see it. But it's a little bit past that dot. If it's still not up to scratch, might be a little bit over full. I don't think you can see anything, no you can't. I'll let it sit longer, but it's still low on oil, so I've got some oil left over. Anyway, I did add a little bit more to it, but I will. Again, sorry for the wind, sorry for the crazy cuts and skips in the video. Do apologise. Again, I'm not a professional, I don't have professional equipment, and I don't have a shed or anything to do things in. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. I'll probably somehow figure out more things to do, record and stuff. I hope you like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, that really means a lot to me, and have a good one. Thank you.